On the vast horizon of the animal nutrition and health industry, one company stands out for its unwavering commitment to excellence and customer service. Fusión Pampa. With 2 decades of experience, we have not only witnessed the evolution of the sector, we have played an active role in its transformation. Today, the world demands quality and environmental commitment, values that Fusión Pampa deeply understands. Beyond our products, we believe in the importance of providing personalized attention. For us, every customer is unique and deserves individualized and respectful treatment. Through our management team and advisors, we are dedicated to optimizing productive results and achieving excellence in every stage of the process. At Fusión Pampa, we stand out not only for our commitment to quality and customer service, but also for our active participation in various business initiatives and our constant pursuit of innovation and growth. Recently, we formalized a strategic alliance with Laboratorios Carvel, becoming their exclusive representatives in Argentina. This partnership strengthens our efforts in animal health, not only through our products, but also with complementary field services. In the field of nutrition, one of our key competitive advantages lies in our ability to offer customized premixes or tailor-made solutions. This adaptability allows us to quickly respond to the specific needs of each customer. Since 2020, we have held the IRAM 14108 GMP certification, ensuring quality standards across all our processes. Additionally, we offer a wide range of services, including formulation and development of personalized diets, optimization of feed production plants, homogeneity control in the mixing process, on-site technical assistance, internal pipeline inspection using Bohr's copy, a dedicated laboratory for ingredient and feed quality analysis. Our strong commercial team is backed by years of experience and a deep understanding of the sector. But we don't stop there. We look to the future with strategic initiatives designed to take Fusión Pampa to new horizons. This includes Pushpin, the development of our own products. Pushpin expanding our product lines to meet emerging demands. Pushpin integrating robotic technology into our processes. To support our continued growth, we have established clear and concrete action plans, focused on providing strong professional support to our commercial teams and expanding our national presence, among other strategic objectives. At Fusión Pampa, we are constantly committed to excellence, innovation, and customer service. We are excited about the exciting possibilities the future holds and are ready to face any challenge on our path to success. Welcome to Fusión Pampa, where passion for our work meets an unwavering commitment to our customers and the well-being of animal production. Fusión Pampa.